Luciano, and we're doing a whole fry flip today. It's May 21st. What am I going to do now?
Woohoo! Good job. Can you tell us how to do one properly?
Well,
How?
you gotta jump high, then the more you do this, the more you'll go faster. Then you can do a whole front flip, and you'll do it.
Okay, cool. Give us another demonstration.
Okay.
Whoa! That's awesome!
Well, except I actually have my feet, I'm not really going front with I was doing this.
Go ahead. You want to give us one more?
Okay, give me one more.
One more.
Oh,
One more.
okay, one more.
Hurry, I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. One more. You too tired? Can you handle one more?
One more.
Okay.
One more. Just one more.
One more?
One more.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a whole. One more.
Okay. You gotta tuck a little more, I think. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh. This video is very dark. You did it!
Okay.
Awesome.
Bye bye, YouTube.